This is a quick mount installation for the multi-lift in a 2013 to 19 Ford Transit. We've already removed a couple bolts from the seat here to speed it up. Plastic cover has come off the back. Now we got to tilt this forward, or rearward rather, to undo the plug that is underneath the seat to connect the wires. So we're going to loosen that right now. Take that plug out. And the seat is ready to be removed from the pedestal. So our tech is just going to take that and set that in the back seat for the time being, where it's out of the way. Next, we're going to have to work on removing the pedestal. First, remove this cover. There's a couple of strips of Velcro there. And in the front, there's hooks. So you can just flip that over. Okay, and remove it. Just carefully pry the metal hooks out of their holes. You'll notice that this unit has the HVAC model in there. Okay, we're not going to do anything with that, but we are going to have to loosen the 4 bolts
Take them all out.
that secure. We're going to actually remove those 4 bolts from the pedestal so that we can put the quick mount underneath.
Pause that for a second. I gotta go get an extension.